I'm Lucy and I'm a third year Northwest Cancer Research funded PhD student at the University of Liverpool. I work on looking at the interactions that exist between solid tumour cells and their surrounding non-cancerous cells, and we look at these interactions and see how they can modulate the progression of tumours and their metastasis. This is important because if we find the proteins that are responsible for promoting tumour progression, they can then be used as future targets for therapy. I've always had a keen interest in science. This was mainly sparked by Jurassic Park, in all honesty. I had a fascination of the use of genetics, so I ended up studying that at uni, but then I realised we probably didn't need dinosaurs and needed more effective therapies for diseases. There isn't such thing as a typical day, especially in our lab. So you have to be kind of flexible. Some days are extremely long, some can be very short. You can either be at your computer analysing data, or you can be on the bench for a long time, but everything you do is really interesting. We use Western blotting, which is when you separate some proteins out by size and then you probe them with antibodies so you can find your specific protein of interest. We often use this to look at the tumour cells, which we grow in culture. We create the sample and then look at their different markers so we can compare between tumour cell lines. What I really like about working here is in my lab everyone's really friendly and we all help each other, so we all have different areas of expertise and we can pool all our knowledge together, so you learn a lot from your colleagues and also from other groups. And Liverpool in general is quite a thriving atmosphere. Northwest Cancer Research funding allows us to perform critical experiments which produce large volumes of high quality data, and Northwest Cancer Research also do a lot of public engagement, so it gives us researchers a platform to show our work to the public and show what we're doing. I'll finish my PhD in a year and I'll start applying for postdocs and then hopefully build up my career as an independent researcher.